Double-hung window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Slidell seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Slidell window installation services ensure that your home remains comfortable year-round while reducing energy costs. Our expert team specializes in double-hung window replacement Slidell, providing top-notch service and quality products, including double-hung windows Slidell. Window sash replacement is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. In Slidell, our window installation experts offer comprehensive window sash replacement services to ensure your windows operate smoothly and look their best. Whether you need window frame installation or window glass replacement, our team is equipped to handle all your window maintenance needs, including double-hung windows Slidell. Energy-efficient windows Slidell are designed to keep your home comfortable while reducing energy consumption. Our custom window solutions include a variety of window style options to match your home's design. From window pane replacement to window weatherproofing, we provide a full range of services to enhance your home's energy efficiency with double-hung windows Slidell. Window seal installation Slidell is crucial for preventing drafts and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our Slidell window installation experts are skilled in identifying and fixing window seal issues, ensuring your home remains energy efficient. Additionally, we offer window insulation services to further enhance your home's energy performance, especially for double-hung windows Slidell. Custom windows Slidell offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. Our window design consultation services help you choose the perfect window style options to complement your home's architecture. With our window measurement services, we ensure a perfect fit for your custom window solutions, including double-hung windows Slidell. Window hardware replacement is an important aspect of maintaining your window's functionality. In Slidell, our team provides expert window hardware replacement services to keep your windows operating smoothly. From window screen installation to window trim replacement, we offer comprehensive window maintenance services for double-hung windows Slidell. Home window upgrades Slidell are an excellent way to improve your property's value and curb appeal. Our Slidell window installation services include a wide range of options, from window caulking services to window glazing services. With our window installation warranty, you can trust that your investment is protected when installing double-hung windows Slidell. Window leak installation is essential for preventing water damage and maintaining your home's structural integrity. Our Slidell window leak installation services address any issues promptly, ensuring your home remains safe and dry. We also offer window caulking Slidell services to seal any gaps and prevent future leaks for double-hung windows Slidell. Window replacement cost can vary depending on the scope of the project and the materials used. Our Slidell window contractor services provide transparent pricing and detailed estimates, so you know exactly what to expect. With our window installation warranty Slidell, you can have peace of mind knowing your investment in double-hung windows Slidell is secure. Window safety features are an important consideration for any homeowner. In Slidell, our window safety Slidell services include a range of options to enhance your home's security. From window lock installation to impact-resistant glass, we offer solutions to keep your home safe and secure with double-hung windows Slidell. For top-notch double-hung window installation in Slidell, look no further than our expert services. Our Slidell window installation services ensure that your home benefits from the best energy-efficient windows available. With a focus on custom window solutions, we provide window design consultation to meet your specific needs, including double-hung windows Slidell. Upgrade your home with our window sash replacement and window frame installation services. Our Slidell window installation experts specialize in window seal installation and window hardware replacement, ensuring your windows function perfectly. We offer window insulation services to enhance energy efficiency, along with window weatherproofing to protect against the elements for double-hung windows Slidell. For those seeking custom windows in Slidell, our window style options cater to every taste. From window pane replacement to window glass replacement, we handle all aspects of window upgrades. Our Slidell window glass replacement services are ideal for enhancing both aesthetics and functionality, including double-hung windows. Slidell. Address window leaks with our Slidell window leak installation and window caulking services. Our window trim replacement and window glazing services add the perfect finishing touches to your home. With our window measurement services, we ensure a perfect fit for every window, including double-hung windows. Slidell. Safety is paramount, and our window safety features in Slidell provide peace of mind. Whether you need double-hung window replacement in Slidell or window pane replacement, our team is equipped to handle it all. Our Slidell window style options and window design consultation services help you choose the perfect windows for your home, including double-hung windows. Slidell. Experience the benefits of energy-efficient windows in Slidell with our expert installation. Our home window upgrades in Slidell include window insulation and window weatherproofing to reduce energy costs. With our window maintenance Slidell services, your double-hung windows Slidell will remain in excellent condition. Choose our Slidell window contractor services for all your window needs. From window seal installation Slidell to window hardware replacement, we offer comprehensive solutions. Our window glazing Slidell services enhance both appearance and performance, making double-hung windows Slidell a reliable and stylish choice for your home.